So let's do the Aussie yen. Now we know that the Aussie is in a major sell signal, so we have a major sell-off on the Aussie, and you can see that it came below the structural point here of 76.15, and if you just took the short there on Friday, you're up 100 pips on simply on that trade, because that's a structural point, and it tried to go and test the other structural point, which is the 78.90, and it failed. So you actually had two strong sell signals Thursday and Friday in the Euro yen, which is actually could have given you an easy 300 pips on that trade. So we're gonna be taking our trigger based on, so in this case it's an easy or a simple way for us. We're not going to look at buying the Aussie yen unless it trades above the 76.15. And we're looking for, I mean, it's a decent close, so we're looking for a continuation to the downside. I want to see what the 74.48 is. It doesn't really mean much. This here is the 72.63, 72. So this is our structural point. Okay, so we want to be short the Aussie yen. We are only going to be buying, take care, Paul. We're going to be buying the, there will be the recordings on the website tomorrow, Paul, around 10 o'clock London time, so, or by noon London time. You can watch them all week. So we're not going to be looking at buying the Aussie yen unless it gets above the 76.15, and we want to be maintaining our short. And you see the 76.15 or 76 is also a momentum low, so that makes it a good entry point for us. So let's do this here. That's our buying point, and it is also, it was our selling point from last week. So this is also going to be our structural long in this case. Our structure short is the 72.66. If you're going to go short, Femi, you can take the short out of the range, or you can take the short below the 75. So in this case, for our guests, we're going to put the short below 75. Okay. And if you take it short, Femi, over here, your stop has to be above the market side, or technically your stop should be above the 76.15, but this will be like 100 pip stop. It's going to be quite a wide stop here. You have no choice about this. Femi, because you have the software, you can use the market side of this session, which is the 75.50, but for the rest of you guys, use the 76.11 as your stop. It's a wide stop, but that's the only technical place we can place the stop at. And if you're going to go long above the 76.15, your stop has to be below the 76.15, because this is a structure point. Okay, so this is your long point is the 76.15, Femi. You're sure if you go long above 76.15, you're placing your stop right below the 76.15. You're not going to give it much room because this is a structure point. You're going to go short below 75.01, which is 20 pips away from here. And if you go short, you have to put your stop above the market side of 75.50, or you guys put your stop above the 76.11. Your structure short is the 72.66, and your structure long is the 76.15. Okay, that is the Aussie yen.